Welcome people to Era of Zoology. Today we are going to talk about top 8 vaccine which are very effective against COVID-19. So let's get started. So our first vaccine is Pfizer vaccine. This type of vaccines are actually nucleoside modified mRNA vaccine, and you just need 2 doses of this vaccine, and the effect of this vaccine is 90 to 94%, and the country of the manufacturer of this Pfizer vaccine is US, United States of America. And the second vaccine is Moderna vaccine, and this type of vaccines are actually nucleoside modified mRNA vaccine, and the shots, the doses are 2. You just need 2 doses of this vaccine at a time interval, and also the efficacy of this vaccine is 90 to 94%, and also the manufacturer are United States of America. And also now we will talk about the third of our vaccine list, that is Johnson and Johnson. So basically Johnson and Johnson's are modified human adenovirus type vaccine, and you just need 1 dose of this vaccine, and the efficacy is 70 to 85%. And also US is the manufacturer of this vaccine, and then Covishield vaccine comes. So basically the fourth vaccine, Covishield vaccines, are actually modified chimpanzee adenovirus type vaccine, and you just need 2 doses of this vaccine, and also the efficacy of this vaccine is 70 to 90%, and the manufacturer are United Kingdom. So basically in this case the Covishield vaccines are made up from United Kingdom. And now we will talk about Sputnik V vaccine. So basically the Sputnik V vaccine made from modified adenovirus. So basically it is actually a modified adenovirus type vaccine, and basically you just need 2 doses of this vaccine, and the efficacy, the power of this vaccine to fight against coronavirus is actually 85 to 90%, and the manufacturer are Russia. Now we will talk about Sinovac. So basically Sinovac is a inactivated virus type vaccine, and you just need 2 doses of this vaccine, and the efficacy is 67 to 75%, and the manufacturer of these vaccines are China. And now we will talk about the 7th vaccine, that is Novavax. So basically Novavax are protein based vaccine, and you just need 2 doses of this vaccine at interval, and the efficacy of this vaccine is 85 to 89%, and the manufacturer are United States of America. And also Covaxin, the 8th vaccine is Covaxin. It is actually an inactivated vaccine, and you just need 2 doses of this vaccine at the interval, and the efficacy of this vaccine is 70 to 80%, and we are proud of this vaccine, Covaxin, because this vaccine is made up from India. So basically India is the manufacturer of Covaxin, that's why we are proud of this vaccine, and also we are proud of India because of this vaccine manufactured from India. Thank you so much for watching this lecture till this end. I hope now you have a detailed knowledge about each of these vaccines. Like this lecture and also subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.